Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, we'll start the class now.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
The same topic, factorization. Today is the last. We are going to do yesterday I started with factorization. We could take only few questions, so today we are going to continue with that. Plus, if the time is there, I'm going to solve your doubts also. I've received certain doubts yesterday, so I will try to take up those doubts also. Okay. I'll share my screen.
Ma'am, how many minutes?
Regular 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, this is the first question. We are going to do this question by splitting the middle term. So this is displayed on your screen. Can you see this? 5 minus 3x square minus 2x within bracket, and next bracket is 6 minus 3x square plus 2x. Please solve this question. Solve this question quickly.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Toshit. Solve it. Am I switch on your video? Ayman, Kavya. Krishna. Please switch on your videos.
Ma'am, I've already sent a mail.
Yes, ma'am.
Who has sent the mail?
Ma'am, Ayman, mail.
I'm also sent. Toshit.
Mummy. Mama. Mama.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ashura is in the waiting room. Can you please take her in?
She is in the waiting room, but I don't get any prompt. I've not got any prompt.
Okay.
Otherwise, it usually comes, no? Then I click it.
Okay, ma'am. I'll tell her.
No. Tell her to reconnect. Do it quickly, children. Done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, Gunit is in the waiting room. Can you please let her?
I've already admitted. tell me the answer for this.
First, we will assume that
Done, children?
first we'll assume that 3x square minus 2x is x.
Is let's take another variable y, no, to avoid any kind of confusion, isn't it? Don't take x, make it y.
But in first bracket it's given minus, in another bracket it's given.
That means you need to do something.
Ma'am, we have to multiply the minus sign.
Yes, ma'am.
by
If you
the
put
first
that minus
bracket.
sign, it will become.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Minus.
So do it that way.
Did.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay, let others.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, who's saying Abdul? Yes, tell me Abdul, what is the answer?
Ma'am, it is 5 minus 3x square minus 2x in brackets 1 minus 3x square minus 2x.
What about you, Rohan?
Ma'am, 3x square minus 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3x square minus 2x minus 5.
Yes, ma'am. This one is correct.
Okay, let me see. Now I will take another this thing and I will solve it myself. Okay. I'll just copy the question and then I'll try to solve. So it was 5 minus within bracket 3x square minus 2x and another bracket 6 minus 3x square plus 2x, right? This was the thing given to me. I'm going to just solve it. So I will take, I will first write it in a different way, in the sense that first bracket will be as it is, but my second bracket, I'm going to take minus common. So this will become like this, isn't it? Now what I will do is, I will just take this and this as y because they are same only. So it will become y and this will become 6 minus y. So then I will multiply. This is my final equation. I will just rotate that in the sense that I will just write it in the descending powers of y and then I will split the middle term, minus 5y and minus y. After that, I will just take y common and y minus 5 from the first two terms. and from the next two terms I will take minus 1 common, so it is y minus 5. So either it is y minus 5 or it is y minus 1. Now I'm going to take y as 3x square minus 2x. Minus 5, and in here also I'm going to replace 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Now again, you know what? These two square brackets are again quadratic this thing expression. You have to split this also.
Oh my God.
So 3x square split will be 15 minus 15x square I want. So how do I split it? I will split as minus 5x plus 3x minus 5 is the split of first bracket. Second bracket, I want minus 3x square as my multiplication. So 3x square
Plus 2.
minus 3x plus x minus 1. I will now take x common from first two terms. I will get 3x minus 5. From the second two terms, I will just take plus 1 common. This bracket, I will take 3 common, 3x common, sorry, x minus 1, and I will take just plus 1 common, x minus 1. Now after this, what you will do, I'm writing it over here. It is from first square bracket, you will get 3x minus 5 and x plus 1. From the second bracket, it is x minus 1. So put it inside square bracket. Put this one on the side square bracket. 3x plus 1. And afterwards, you can remove this square bracket. And your final answer is just 4 brackets, circular brackets. So this is your final answer, children. If you are stopping over here, this step which all of you did, you will not get full mark, because you clearly see that both brackets have got quadratic expressions which is further can be split into two more parts. So till the time there are there is option available to you, you need to split it, and you need to reach that stage where it cannot be split any further. So this is like till here it is just halfway, because most of the children will stop here and they will not proceed further. Please note it down.
Done.
Okay. Now I will write the next question, please, but note the entire thing.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
someone named Arnav Tambekar has joined the meeting.
yeah, I'll find it out afterwards. Who's Arnav?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I also saw that. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. I will now write another question.
Oh my. Okay.
I will write another question and you can just note it down. So this is your next one. This is the next question. I'll just read it out. A square minus A in one bracket, second bracket 4A square minus 4A minus 5, bracket closed, and minus 6. Excuse me. Switch off your audios. Done?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, a minus 2 in one bracket, in another bracket a plus 1, in another bracket 4a square minus 4a plus 3.
No, ma'am. The last one can be broken into 2a plus 1 and 2a minus 3.
Arey, but neon.
Wait. I'll just tell you. Neo, tell me the answer, Neo. Full answer.
Ma'am, a minus.
Bracket 1. First bracket 2a minus 3. Second bracket 2a plus 1. Third bracket a minus 2. Fourth bracket a plus 1.
Arey, but Neo, how can the last bracket be broken?
Toshit, what's your answer? What's your answer?
Ma'am, my answer is a minus 2 in one bracket, a plus 1 in one bracket, and in another bracket 4a square minus 4a plus 3.
No. Anybody else?
Just a minute.
Question, the last bracket can't be broken. 4a square plus 2a minus 6a plus 3.
Oh, huh.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
4x plus 3 in one bracket and x minus 2 in another bracket.
No.
Ma'am, can you please wait for some time? I'm almost done. I got
Okay. Do it. I want you all only to get the answer. Otherwise, I mean, these are slightly difficult questions. So,
Ma'am, my answer is not correct.
no, till now, whatever answers I have got, most of them are incorrect. All of them are incorrect, in fact.
And then wait for 1 minute.
Mm.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, just a minute.
ma'am, can we group 4a square and 4a from the second bracket?
Yeah, you can.
Ma'am, just a minute. I forgot one step.
Yeah.
नहीं ना यार कितने बजे Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Wait, let others also do.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a square minus a minus 2 in one bracket and another bracket 4a square minus 4a plus 3.
Okay, let me wait for some more time. There are some children who are still doing.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Yes, Rohan, tell me.
Ma'am, a plus 1 in one bracket, a minus 2 in another bracket, and 4a square minus 4a plus 3 in the third bracket.
Yes, ma'am. I told the same, ma'am. Neo was telling that.
But then I broke.
A minus 2 in one bracket, right?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Neo, I told you.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yeah.
No, Neo.
Toshit, stop it.
Ma'am, I'll tell.
Toshit, stop it. Yes,
Ma'am,
tell
can I answer?
Yeah, Abhiga.
I'll say.
A bracket a minus 1 bracket a plus 1 bracket 4a minus 5 minus bracket close minus 6.
No. Priyadarshini?
One step is
Okay, now let me solve it. Yeah.
ma'am, in one bracket
Priyadarshini, you're breaking, your voice is breaking. So
a minus 1
Hmm.
bracket
Okay, I will do it. Okay, so what I will do is I will write let a square minus a is equal to y, and I will write this expression like this: a square minus a in the first bracket copied as it is. Out of the first two terms in the second bracket, I will just take 4 common, and here I will write a square minus a, and minus 5 minus 6 is copied as it is, and these two I will replace with y. So y 4y minus 5 minus 6. So 4y square minus 5y minus 6. So I'm going to split now. 4, 6 4s are 24. What will
8 and 3. 8
minus 8y
plus
plus
3y.
3y minus 6. Then I will
4
just take 4y common, and my first will become y minus 2, and next will become 3
plus
common.
3 y minus 2.
Then it is y minus 2 and 4y plus 3. Now I'm going to put the value of y as a square minus a. So a square minus a minus 2,
And in another
and this
bracket,
is 4.
4a square minus 4a.
Then,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, this step which you are showing here, 4 in then bracket a square minus a, I directly solved it. 4a square minus 4a plus 3.
No, you need to show this. You need to show the replacement clearly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is, can we split this? On multiplication minus 2a square, and on addition it should be minus a.
Yes,
I do.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A square minus 2a plus a minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I will just multiply.
4a square minus 4a plus 3.
Plus 3.
Neo, we can't break that.
Yeah, Neo got minus 3. That's why he was breaking it.
Yes.
Miss, I
This is this.
put a wrong sign by mistake.
Rohan, our answer is correct.
Okay.
Can we break this, children?
No, ma'am.
I got
ma'am.
that
No,
first,
ma'am.
then by mistake I put wrong sign. No, ma'am.
So that means we need
No,
to be
ma'am.
careful. A minus 2, a plus 1 in first bracket, second bracket, no breaking can happen. Okay. Then final answer a plus a minus 2, and this is copied as it is. So this is your final answer, children. Those who have not been able to do it, please do it right now.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let others note it down. Then I will take one doubt question. So this is almost over. I have taken up all the complicated ones in the class. So hopefully you will not face any problem while doing the questions. Are we done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, do I rub this and write another doubt question?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
No, ma'am, just a minute.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, why didn't we solve that 4a square minus 4a?
Yes, ma'am. It
Hey,
can be
because
broken down.
Because how will you split the middle term? Splitting you
Plus 2a minus 6a.
huh?
Plus 2a minus 6a.
But you will on multiplication get minus 12, but you need plus 12. Plus 3 into plus 4 will give you plus 12 square, a square. And when you will multiply one positive with one negative, you will get minus. So you have to be very careful when you are splitting it, because signs should also match.
yes, ma'am.
So that is why when you are doing it, you please keep in mind always that I need to match the sign also. Most of the time we split without matching the sign, and then we end up having wrong answer. Do I rub this, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So switch off audio, please switch off your audios. Only when it is required, then you switch it on. So here I am writing another question, which is a doubt question, which came to me yesterday. So this is the question.
Which chapter?
You tell me which chapter. I will just write the question. It is given that x square plus 1 upon 25x square
Expansion.
is equal to 8, 3 by 5. You have to first calculate x plus 1 upon 5x,
It's easy.
and second part is start doing the first part. I will write the second part in the meantime.
Ma'am, in the x square 1/20 square, can we put the square sign outside the bracket in one bracket?
Can we put, you are saying, can I take a square common? That is what you're saying.
Oh, no, sorry, ma'am. We cannot take, ma'am.
We cannot take that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, part 2.
Part 2 I'm writing. You solved part 1.
Okay,
Part 1 is
ma'am.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now only one step remaining.
Okay. You have to find out x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube. Done?
Ma'am, first part.
First part done.
What is the answer?
53 square root of 53 by 5.
Square root of 53 by 5.
Ma'am, 43 by 5.
Yes, ma'am. 43 by 5.
Ma'am,
43
it's
by
plus or
5.
minus 3, ma'am.
Square root of square.
Yes, Rohan?
It's plus or minus 3.
Correct.
Plus or minus 3, ma'am.
Correct. That is the correct answer. What have you all done? Okay, let me solve the first part for you all. Whatever is given to me is of the higher power. That means x square plus 25, 1 upon 25x square. And whatever is asked in the first part is of lower power. So I have done this kind of question in the class, and I told you where you have to go which way. When do we start with the given thing, or when do we start with the part which is asked? So here higher power is given, lower is asked. So I'm going to start with the part which is asked in the question. So this is how I'm going to start. X plus 1 upon x 5x whole square. So whatever is asked from me, I'm going to just square it. And why am I squaring it? Because while squaring, I will get the thing which is given to me. X plus 1 upon 5x whole square will be opened with a plus b whole square identity. Here identity I'm not writing because screen is small. So you please understand that I'm applying a plus b whole square identity, which is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here your a and b are x and 1 upon 5x. So here this 2ab, x and x will get cancelled, and finally you will be left with x square. This square will be applied to both numerator and denominator, and finally you will get this plus 2. Then in place of this you will put 8 3 upon 5 because it is given to me. Which is 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 is 43 upon 5.
Plus 2 upon 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, 2 upon 5. Which is 45 upon 5, which is 9. After that, you will write x plus 1 upon 5x whole square is 9. So x plus 1 upon 5x is equal to square root of 9, which is plus minus 3. So this is the first part. So how did you get answer in fraction? I didn't understand only. Somebody got 43 upon 5, somebody got 45 upon 53 upon 5.
Ma'am, second part done.
Next part also you have done. What is the answer?
Yes,
What is the answer?
plus or minus 126 upon 5.
I'm not able to hear you, Rohan. You're breaking your
And
voice.
he's telling plus 126.
Plus or minus 126 by 5.
126 by 5. Okay, let me see.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me see. Let me see. Because that is not matching with the answer. Let me see. So I'll rub this part, children. Quickly, we will just do it because time is going to get over. So So now whatever you have got, you will simply just apply cubic identity.
Ma'am, some background music is coming.
So x plus x plus 1 upon 5x whole cube, and you will apply this identity, a cube plus b cube plus 3 a into b, a plus b, which is, now I'm going to put plus minus 3. I think this question I took in the class also.
You took.
Here also you will write plus minus 3, and there plus minus 27 and is equal to x cube.
Did this question?
But this is plus minus 9 by 5. And after transposing, this will become plus minus 27 minus plus. Remember, I told you how to shift. And after solving this, you will get the answer. Take the LCM. This is plus minus 35. Please take the LCM and get the answer. 135 minus plus 9, which is how much? 130. Okay, children, we'll stop the meeting. I think you have a class. Solve this and get the answer. Tomorrow again we will meet. Okay, have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Try
Thank you, ma'am.
on.
Goodbye.
I have shown you the steps. Please try doing it because no one of you got the correct answer. Okay. So tomorrow we'll again meet. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.